My name's James Williams. I work for Transport for Wales, the not-for-profit company delivering the South Wales Metro. Over the next few years, we have a significant amount of work to be carried out to create the Metro that Wales can be proud of. And we're producing this video to provide some clarity on some key issues.
My name's Kyle Sweeney. I'm construction site manager at Transport for Wales. Tonight we're carrying out pruning works on the Merthyr line to provide clearance for the new Metro. The works you can see behind me tonight involve our teams climbing the trees, then pruning them back using chainsaws, and that material then will be cut into smaller sections and run through a chipper on site.
As you can see, the de-veg team have been clearing the earth this evening and the debris has fallen close to the track, which needs to be cleared to allow our services to run. The safety of our workforce is our main priority. Working at night eliminates the risks that could be caused by the daily running of services. The nature of our work and the equipment we use will be noisy, but we're doing our best to keep noise to a minimum, work safely and get off site as quickly as possible. At Transport for Wales, we're working with Natural Resources Wales and ecologists to minimise the environmental impact.
My name's Jim, I'm an ecologist and I'm here to help TFW protect the wildlife on the project. It's all been surveyed prior to work starting and protected species and habitats such as bats, dormice, badgers have all been identified, and I'm here to help the guys stay away from those areas to protect them. And I'm also here to look for birds' nests or any further bits that may have been missed on the surveys to make sure nothing's being affected by the works.